How can we get Auto1111 in the cloud, this WebUI Forge? How can we use it in the cloud? We know obtaining it is really complicated. There are sketchy methods we often don't trust. So this tool called MIMICPC, which you'll find in the description, lets us connect easily to this type of software and to various tools, not just this one. There are about 20 more, almost 30. So basically we're going to start, we'll click on add new application. We'll search for Auto1111 or look for it here. Let's see if it appears. Seems this search engine isn't working well, or it's slow to load. Probably because I didn't accept cookies due to Brave Shields more than anything. So we simply click start, okay? To launch the application, you'll see a green tick showing if it's the best version, and latest indicates it's the most recent version. So as you can see, we have 3 versions available. We'll use the default one that's provided, and we can choose what type of server we want. If we want a server for 0.25 cents per hour, which basically uses the bargain method. It ensures the server runs when resources suffice. The server will function, but there's a small chance of interruption. It's cost effective. You pay half the price but have lower priority than full price users. As you see, we can go from 16 to 48 via RAM. It's really quite impressive. Here we can set how long we want to use it. As you see, we start with 50 cents balance. Let's say I want to start with just 1 hour and only spend these 25 cents. We'd set it to 1 hour and 0 minute. Then we'd have the automatic extension or settings to stop or extend as needed. That's the process of using this tool. So we click create as I just did. Basically what MIMICPC is going to start doing is for about 1.5 to 6 minutes it's going to set up the server so that we can use it. As you can see on the right, we have all the folders just like we would if using Auto1111 on our own computer. We'd need access to these folders in case we want to upload some or even move it to our PC, which we can do. This process won't use any of our budget within the application. It's just setting up the machine, that's all. This setup isn't part of the rental and won't be charged. Now we just need to wait. After waiting a while, the launching begins. It usually doesn't take long to start the server, and there we have it. The whole tool is ready. Even if we look at checkpoints, which are essentially the models, we have access to all the models. If we were doing this locally, well, I don't want to tell you how much space you'd need for this, but probably many gigabytes and a lot of patience downloading each file. Here it's all done for you, which is great. So yeah, we have everything here, text to image, image to image, spaces, everything. So that's how this tool works. We hit stop to end the server, and that's about it.